Never you can make video. Okay, when you and I can make the video. American name your phone. Okay. Yeah, you didn't get video. Okay. I want to give a hero. I will get all when I'm the video. Maybe a full video. Yeah, okay, video what is happening. Hold on, just explain. Go try and
come on your camera. You step close to me.
The issue is that we don't know if they are trying to bring another Isii. People may see that's going to crown a better tomorrow, and that is wrong. We are not attempting it. We have Isii when we see, and we have Isii do the right thing. That's why we are here, and we're not fighting anybody.
All right.
So make your video to tell the world what is happening. You have the right to video, and no one can stop you. Forget whatever that is happening. Give me your phone, I will do the video.
No problem. All right. So I'm going to use okay. About the meeting, just rotate the account. I better catch you because you teach Isii.
No, what are you never?
Oh, I back
I brought my work with that.
Oh, what that about?
Yes. I'm about from Oro. I get happens out there here.
Okay.
So I'm just in about that place. But I behind the wall. But maybe we are nowhere.
Okay.
I am
I can't buy a cheap
also it's suspend. Okay, God, it's a suspend.
Okay,
not illegal.
All right. There we must. Biko no nke na-eme tu una wiki gwatu anyị ihe na-eme na Ibom isi. Now on the Adamazi TV. Yeah, I na report ihe basara ihe zaru. So yeah.
O nwere ndị na-acha anyị okwu. Aha m bụkwa na Ijeọma nọ n'ezi ndị enyi ama nke dị n'Ibom. N'eziokwu ihe a na-eme ugbu a nwaga ọza na-eme mmụọ nna anyị ma obi adịghị m mma n'ihi na nna anyị na nna anyị enweghị mgbe ụdị ihe a dị ifuo ọ bụrụ na ọgbọ nke anyị ugbu a ụdị ihe a na-amalite n'eziokwu arụrụ ala dị njọ nwanne m nwoke ọ dị njọ biko inyere anyị aka ma go ogbo onye osisi biko ikwusiri oro mmụọ na wo hapụtụ n'anya aka hapụtụ na nwa amadi ọnwa aka onweghị ihe ọjọọ mere eluigwe onye o buturu si ka enye ya ọ bụghị ihe ọjọọ anyị enweela eze bụ na anyị enwekwala n'eze si ka hapụta ya ka ọ ṅụrụ mmiri tọgbu iko ka zi dotu ya n'elu okpokoro ahụ ọnụ na ọ dị m mma ọ dịkwanụ ndị mụ na woso mma na nna echeghị m onwe otu nna ga-aza nọrọ nwa abịa bụrụ eze o kwenugo omume onwe aga maza nwa maazị apụta n'ọha otie ori ihe anyị asị ya nwa maazị bụ nna anyị ma ọ daka ọ dị m mma n'ọnụ ya mere ya biko si ka ekwuruoro wowo hapụtụ n'anya aka na arụ ama abakata ma onye ukwu ma onye ntọ nwa onye ga-agbara ibe ya ọsọ kama onye ọbụla akwanyere onwe ya ndewo
ime ike ịgwatụ anyị ihe mere ndị mmadụ ji gbakọrọ ebe a
ọnọdụ na-ahụ mmiri ma na-anụ na abịaje ikpu ezo ma madụkwa m ezo ọwụ amanụ mma owe onye na-abịa gbara anyị ndị odibo amaghị m amakwanụ m nwere abịbịa ọ bịara evizatasịrị m echekwanụ m na o nwere ozi m tiri ya echeghị m na nna ma gbapụta na-avụ igwe mmadụ ejula na-ale anya sị na a na-abịa ikpi eze okwu na ala ọkọnụ na-ajụnụ ma eze ọ na-adịla na abụọ sọ ọ bụrụ ọ dịla na abụọ si ka eme ka m onwe na onwe m mara ndewo ọhịa ikwe were gbakọta n'ebe a sị anyị ndị ama nkwe ndewo
so eze ọzọ ka achị ikpu okpu ọ bụghị na achị ikpu echichi eze Ibom isi
anyị mba bụghị eze Ibom ka mbanụ mba ọ bụghị agọ nna m wo chọrọ ichi eze nke wo na-achị wo mana na-adị na-adị n'eze abụọ n'otu obodo.
Ndewo Adamazi.
Ndewo nwanne m nwoke. Sikwa gị ike onye kpaga aka m nọ ya, onye bituga aka m nọ ya.
Let your people know that I'm not I'm only getting the community, right?
Check everything. But people never.
Mazi ndewo. Mazi gwatu anyị ihe na-eme. Mazi, as you can see, Mazi is very, very angry at what is happening. People are angry. People are not happy. All right. So.
Pastor na problem. General. Yes. General.
All right. Now, Alpha, you want to tell us what's happening? You want to tell us what's happening? Okay. Yeah, I don't know if officer. Please, well done. Let your people know that I'm not.
Chukwu Oji, Eni Oji, but I are anaka because of whom I say, I am a today. They want them. I want to say something.
What do you want to say?
Yes, I want to say something. Now my time with this. And maybe let's say Ibom. I want to tell you, say, tell Alex, the rentage don't expire. What is wrong with you? No, I said, no, because I won't again, no, no better than one. I don't know if I can disability, man. I'm snapping this. I'm not going to snap. I'm not going to snap. I'm not going to snap. We don't want
want to bring that in our society. We don't want Ebebe. We don't want Ebebe in our kingdom.
Okay, so what we are getting, the information we are getting is that they are actually, there is something going on inside this building you're seeing, a possible coronation of someone, which I cannot really tell because I don't know. From the report we are getting is that there is something definitely going on inside this building you are seeing right now. All right, so we can't really tell. Adamazi TV cannot really tell who exactly is in here, but the report we are bringing to you guys is that as time goes on, we will get to bring you full detail of what is going on in this house. All right. So while the security people are asking me not to get them, of course, I'm just trying my possible best not to get them in my video coverage, but then my focus is on the community, the Omaro. All right, the reactions of Omaro based on what is happening. All right, we have no business with the security personnel. All right, so as much as I can only my camera cannot flash too much because of the security personnel. All right, yeah, my camera cannot flash too much because I'm respecting the law, which is not to have men in uniform covered. All right, so I'll just to see the people, but it will, won't be steady because security men are also there. As you can hear their voices, all right, you can hear their voices, and that is it. So please, we want to maintain peace, we want to maintain orderliness, but it's just for you to know this building right here, which they've shot